curiosity of the press and other media, but minimalize the possibility of them ever seeing the group. I am an antichrist. I am an anarchist. Don't know what I want, but I know what I get. I want to destroy my life. Forget about music and concentrate on creating generation gaps. Call all hippies boring old farts and set light to them. How many ways to get what you want? I use the best, I use the rest, I use the enemy. I use anarchy to fly. I wanna be anarchist. Terrorize, threaten, and insult your own useless generation. Suddenly, you've become a novel idea, and you've got people wanting to join in. You've gained credibility from nothing. You're the talk of the town.